Hi, this is Rashika.
Hi, this is Kankana.
We decided to do a video on the top 10 most annoying people in Bollywood
Ever born.
ever born. Their parents should have just slept that night.
So the 10th person on our list is going to be Dolly Bindra. And she was the most annoying and chaotic person I've ever met in my, or even seen in my life.
Why is she so hyper?
She's always been this high.
Why does she scream so much? Like, I have anger issues too. Like, I scream a lot on people too. But Dolly Bindra, oh my god, Dolly Bindra. It's on another level. Even the great Khali on the show was
like
Khali all throughout the show had an expression which matched.
expressionless face.
He was Kristen Stewart for the rest of the show.
Most appropriate thing that will work for her is a dark room where only
She talks to
mirrors.
herself and she fights with herself.
Yeah, there are only mirrors.
You should fight with
even if
yourself.
even if she wants to fight and scream, she has to do it to herself.
The best wrestling match in the whole world would be Dolly Bindra versus Dolly Bindra. And then that would be like so
Legendary.
Epic. We have a lot of people not wearing clothes in this industry. But we have Poonam Pandey,
Who's a little
ends up
different.
looking vulgar in anything. She could. Poonam Pandey
She
could be
has-
wearing a sari and she could end up looking like Savita Bhavi.
Or maybe
Like, it's true. It's true. Poonam Pandey was the one who told that if India wins the World Cup, she'll strip. She probably thought that the Indian cricket team will never win, so she wouldn't have to strip.
but
Basically, there's just 3 hours of out of the 3 hours in the movie, it's basically 1.5 hours where Poonam Pandey is stripping.
1.5 hours? I say in 3 hours of movie,
2 hours,
2
59
hours
minutes.
59 minutes she was stripping.
Why Poonam Pandey? Why?
When you do this all the time, like I feel like, oh probably just taking a fairy stick
Smashing her skull.
and apply it all over your palm and stick this hand to this hand, so you won't be able to have food and you will die of hunger.
That is the most evil thing I have.
I know, man.
Yes. We have met a lot of annoying people. We've been through 2 annoying people on this
Already
list.
on this list.
And we still think that you're the one that actually needs professional therapy.
No. It's definitely Dolly Bindra.
Okay.
Definitely
Maybe it's Dolly
who needs
Bindra.
professional help.
Maybe it's Dolly.
So the 7th trashiest person is,
Guess who?
maybe you know what? Go home and laugh for 48 hours continuously.
And listen to yourself
You listen to
laughing.
yourself and then you
And
won't
make
be able
the
to laugh
Indian-
no more. And then you won't be able to laugh for the rest of your life.
You're
You will
laughing.
just cry.
The 6th trashiest person on our list is Veena Malik. Okay, and why exactly is she trashy, you ask? You didn't ask, but I'll still tell you. And she has some crazy obsession for her shoes. She wears Aldoka shoes and she acts as if she's wearing like what? Manolo Blahniks or something like that, and then she's all like, हमारी country में जूते ऐसे होते हैं, जूतों सर का ताज होता है. Fuck you cannot dance with fucking heels on places where you eat. Like, you can't dance with your heels on a dining table.
Yeah. Rakhi Sawant.
Jesus.
Oh Jesus. Please help me, Jesus.
Our Lord, the
So, during these votings, there was a lot of fire about she getting 15 votes. What are you thinking?
What even made her think that she would be a successful politician?
Yeah, are you really blind?
She's not
Do you
blind.
really think, are you so dumb that you think that you have so many fans?
She's schizophrenic, I'm pretty sure. In her alternate reality, she is a successful politician who strips for votes. There, I said it. And Also, Imam Zindagi
Has
dress.
this typical car. Have you seen it?
No, have you seen
You
it?
haven't seen this car?
I've seen it on
It's
MTV.
pink, green, orange, I guess.
He's pretty
And
fabulous.
It's like a Fiat kind of a thing.
That's a mystery machine. He drives a mystery machine, which went to a pride parade and came out looking all fabulous. When Tere Naam came out, like he became really popular for his songs. The one where Salman Khan has curtains for hair. Yeah, that movie. What sort of nasal cancer do you have to sing like that?
Okay, don't sing, don't act, don't eat, don't die. Actually die. Don't.
He Himesh Reshamya probably went to music school and then he went there and he decided that this is what I'm gonna do. I have no talent, so I'm just gonna pick up songs. So he had already decided that from a young age. So we can't really take it out on him now. Okay, so the thing about Ajaz Khan is we've seen him personally and we've seen him how he interacts with people personally. He basically comes to the same cafe that we go to and then
It's a little depressing.
It's a little depressing, but here's what he does. When he calls the waiter, he calls him in.
And
Yeah.
he does that.
Yes, he does that. इधर आ क्या किधर है कितने दिन से है किधर है अपन को
Like
खाना
child, like cutting.
That's how he talks. The #1 trashy person.
My favorite. I've been waiting to do this like since the past 9 people. Oh, I love him. I love him. Okay, and his name is Kamal
Trashy.
Khan. One effing movie he made called Desh Drohi. If you have the balls, please go check out that movie. I saw because I hate him that much, because I like to make fun of him, because I hate him that much. And
What is
I saw-
Kamala Khan done to you?
he's just stupid, bro. He's planning to come up with a sequel.
Please don't come up.
I'm going to die.
I think you're gonna watch
I don't want to die.
it. You are going to.
I fun of him. I might just go to the theater and watch.
Kamala
RXL.
Khan makes such bad movies. What gives him the right to review other
That's
people's
what
movies? Like, that's
annoys me. Who has given him the right to review some good actor's movie, bro? With that fucking gun hanging in your neck, just
Why
take
did
that
he do
gun,
that?
put it in your mouth and shoot yourself and die, okay? Next day, he tweeted, okay, Modi ji has won, so I am going to Dubai. 2 days later, he tweets again, ki people of Bombay really love me or something like that and they want me back to Bombay. Who said that to you? Mannat is this thing, na? Shah Rukh Khan's. Oh yeah, his bungalow's name is Jannat. He
Where
has
is his bungalow?
Dubai.
Okay.
He has a bungalow in Mumbai as
So why
well.
does he dress like somebody?
Because he's a 60-year-old fucking Buddha.
He's 60.
No, I'm just saying because I hate him. So,
Do you
kick
have
to
a-
all haters and my kiss to all my lovers.
What did he do?
Yeah, he does. Oh, 2 rupees, people. 2 rupees, people. Do not.
Actually, he means
Unlike-
दो कौड़ी के लोग.
Yes, he says 2 rupees, people.
2 rupees people.
2 rupees, people. Do not unlike this video. Like it, subscribe, and comment if you like it.
And don't hate on us, KRK fans. She is
Oh,
a fan herself.